Good morning. The markets were quite impressive yesterday as most of the indices gained. Even the Sensex and Nifty both gained over 2%. We had a quite good day. I think the risk appetite of the investors have returned because the people were showing very good interest to buy the shares and get into action. But the problem was we could not breach the important resistance level, and even the Monday's high was around 5160 in Nifty. That could not be breached, and 5175 is a major hurdle in spot Nifty. So all these hurdles we have to break out to get a clear direction in the upside. So the market, the one day up and next day down, that's going on for quite some time. So what we can do is we have to wait patiently in the market to be aggressive. But the traders can do intraday traders, and they must be prepared to face this volatility in this market. A lot of events are ahead, and the corporate earnings are coming out. Some companies, especially banks, are coming out with good numbers this time. Yesterday's HDFC Bank even that announced a better result. So that shows that there are some improvement in the banking sector, even though the interest rates are high. Then the other events we have to watch out for is one thing is the key inflation figure today. The primary articles inflation will be announced today. That we have to watch closely because that can give some clues for the market's direction. And RBI's credit policy is on 25th. So ahead of the RBI policy, banks can be active. There can be some good actions based on that expectations and estimates. And F&O expiries of October series is coming. That's falling in the next week. So all these events combinedly will give some high volatility to the market. So what I suggest is that the traders must be prepared to face this volatility. So it is always during this turbulent time, it is always better to trade with strict stop losses. It can hit in both ways, so it's always to go with strict stop losses in the market. And some of the shares are very active. For today's trade, maybe you can look at Cipla. The 292 was a hurdle for quite some time. There were multiple tops around this 291 to 292 levels in Cipla, and in yesterday's trade itself during closing it gave some good indication of buying, like volumes were very high towards the closing. So I advise you to buy this Cipla about 292 level for the day's trade, and the targets can be around 300 levels, and the stop loss maybe you can place below 289 or 288. So this breakout, if it comes with good volumes, it can spurt up to 300 plus levels in day's trade itself. So that's all for the day. Wish you all a happy trading. Have a good day. Thank you.